it cost you about $20,000 more to buy last year than it did this year, even over 10 years. Talk about what's been going on in the Dallas area real estate market this last 7 days. We'll put a little context in it. Rates popped up. They've doubled since June. They've moderated a little, but the Fed's still going to increase, probably another 1.5 points. And it's definitely weighing on the buyer's market. And just to throw a little perspective out there for buyers, if you're looking to move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area and wondering whether you should rent or purchase, Dallas is the 34th most expensive rental market in the country. Home prices are going to continue to rise, probably at about 2% is what the consensus seems to be a year. So, and rates will continue to rise. So if you're thinking of buying, one title company posted a little flyer that talked about it cost you about $20,000 more to buy last year than it did this year, even over 10 years, even with the higher rates, because you paid about 50 grand over list for most homes last year. Right now, seller concessions going on. So sellers and buyers are affected by this. And let's get down to the numbers. So there were 2,869 new listings in the last 7 days, but we had 640 properties come back on the market. And here's the big number, 4,070 price reductions. That's over 1,000 more homes were reduced in price than homes that hit the market. There are 158 expireds and 667 canceled listings and 59 withdrawn. Those were almost unheard of. Expireds, canceled, and withdrawn last year. So that tells you where we're at in the market. It's still a strong market relative to most of the country because there's 365 people a day moving to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So that's where we're at this week. It's kind of short, sweet, and to the point. And the number of homes that are selling, there's a straight line going down that I see on the stats. We will see you next week.